Welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into a machine that doesn't just define luxury, it redefines it. Imagine a car so elegant, so powerful, that every glance feels like a statement of success. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre, dressed in a deep, black shiny coat that absorbs light like liquid obsidian, and fitted with a forged carbon kit by Mansory, a masterpiece that transforms sophistication into sheer dominance. From the very first moment you lay eyes on it, the Spectre commands silence, the kind of silence only true beauty can create. The body, sculpted with perfection, now carries the aggressive yet graceful Mansory touch, widened fenders, sculpted side skirts, and a reimagined front fascia that fuses power with artistry. The carbon weave glimmers subtly under sunlight, while the illuminated spirit of ecstasy proudly leads the way, glowing like a crown jewel at the front. Every inch of this car whispers precision, every curve screams exclusivity. Moving along the sides, the 23-inch forged carbon wheels look like they've been designed for a billionaire's dream garage. The black gloss merges perfectly with carbon accents, creating an effect that's both intimidating and hypnotic. In the rear, those aerodynamic touches by Mansory blend performance with pure theater. Dual carbon spoilers, a sculpted diffuser, and a perfectly contoured tail that gives the Spectre an almost supernatural stance. Step inside, and you're no longer in a car, you've entered a private universe. The cabin feels like a symphony of art, silence, and innovation. Rolls-Royce's starlight headliner stretches above, creating a galaxy that seems endless. The seats, wrapped in black and graphite leather, are embroidered with delicate silver stitching that glows faintly in ambient light. Mansory has added subtle forged carbon touches throughout, from the steering wheel to the center console, giving the interior a bespoke, motorsport-inspired feel without compromising its serenity. Underneath all this beauty lies the heart of pure electric elegance. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre is fully electric, powered by dual motors delivering 577 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. It glides from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.4 seconds, smooth, silent, and absolutely majestic. The instant torque delivers effortless acceleration, while the adaptive suspension reads the road like an artist reading a canvas, ensuring every drive feels like floating on air. With a range of around 520 kilometers, this isn't just a luxury cruiser, it's a statement of the future, where power meets peace. And at a price tag of $549,996, this Spectre fitted with Mansory's forged carbon kit isn't for everyone. It's for those who demand the extraordinary, those who don't follow trends but create them. So, is the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre worth it? If you believe a car should do more than move, if it should inspire, impress, and immortalize your presence, then yes, it's worth every single dollar. Because the Spectre isn't just driven, it's experienced. Thank you for watching today's review of the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre Mansory Edition. If you love this deep dive into luxury and performance, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another masterpiece review. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and remember, luxury isn't a price tag, it's a feeling.